Hey guys, it's me, Claire again, and today I'll be showing you all my fidgets. But don't forget to subscribe and like. So first off is puppets. This is an octopus puppet. It's small too. And this is the loud side. And you could also do this to its head. See, it changed. Next is a flower puppet. And this is soft side. And this is a gaming controller. You have to pop the bubbles so you could play with it. And this is a rainbow circle puppet. This is the soft side. This is a square puppet, and I accidentally broke this. This is the soft side, and this is the loud side. Next is this green puppet, and this is the loud side. So next is this purple puppet, and there's alphabets on it, like as you can see right there. Okay. So next is going to be infinity, like those things like these. So this one is a blue one, and this one is a black one. I was trying to get it for my cousin because she's in love with fidgets too. So this, you like play with it, like there's so many sides. So you'll have to do like this on this side, and then you can press the buttons here. And then here, like you can like wait. Here, like you could do like that, and then you can do this to the thing, and then this one is for doing that. This is for hand, like doing like moving this. This one is for texturing. So that's it to the black one, and this has all the same things but color blue and red. Next off is this thing. I bought it, but I couldn't find like the regular one, like the brown one. So you have to like squeeze it so the thing gets off. And that's why there's no eyeballs, because my dog was biting it. So yeah. Next is these. Like, oh my goodness. So this dimple, this is called the trimple dimple. This one is the soft side, and then this one is the loud side. So this one is a simple dimple. See? But it only has two. And that one was the soft side, and this one is the loud side. So this one is a dimple. I don't really know what it's called, but it's with four, and it's like a spinner. But you could pop on it, like on these sides. Next is this, but it's all 5. Not like this one, because this one is 4. See? But there is a white one like this, I think. And this is also like a spinner, and you could pop it. So next is this. I made this homemade fidget, but that's why there's like one of these, because my dog was biting on it. Next off is this Among Us dimple. It's hard to pop. It's like the puppets, but it's bigger than the puppets. See? next stuff is a dimple digits, I think, but color blue, and it's like a spinner. See? And you can pop on it. Okay, next is this pop tube. As you could see, it's loud, so I'm not going to do it because some people are sleeping in my house. And you could also like make it into a circle. And I'm not really going to show you that because I need to like do stuff. And this is a spinner, but you cannot pop on it like these, because you could pop on this one, but not this one since there's no pops. See, it's color black, and my sister gave this, I mean not sister, cousin, because we always call us sisters. So yeah. Next is this puzzle ball. The puzzle ball, my cousin solved it, and you should go subscribe to her channel. Her channel name is Cutie Margot T with Family, I think, because I really don't watch with her, like watch the vids. So yeah, you have to like put like this, like that. Okay, next is this DNA ball and this stress ball. See, this can also like do lightning, and this cannot. And it can also stick, but I'm not going to show you it. Next is this slime. I'm not going to play with it since it's going to get so messy, but I'm just going to show you the inside. Next is a wacky track that my sister my cousin, and this tangle. So the tangle is like, it's like you just do like this, and the wacky track you could connect it together and make it a snapper or any choice you like. Like I can, connect it together. Well, I think that's it. See you.